Hi
there guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatiki.
Yes, of course.
Yes, guys. XRP just won the court case, guys.
Yes, on the 13th of July this year.
Yes, this year, guys. I think Annalisa Torres voted in favor of XRP as not a security, guys, of which was a great news for XRP and Ripple, guys. Ripple and XRP are one and the same thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was an exciting news, and we saw a spike, a candle that was as long as a Burj Khalifa. Yeah, if you know a Burj Khalifa, guys, that candle was equal to its size.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. It was so long.
It was long.
Yeah. I think Ripple will be used as an international transfer in place of Swift.
And I think we've spoken about that
in our previous
video.
Long previous video.
Yeah. we really touched on that one, that Ripple will replace Swifts.
And now it has come.
It has come.
Yeah.
And we mentioned that software, that ISO, that system.
Yes, that is working with Ripple.
Yeah, the Ripple ISO 20022. Yeah, that's the system that has replaced Swift, guys. And the reason they like that system, they like XRP in general. They say it's fast and cheap, guys.
Yeah.
For transactions, so for both the border payments, they feel that to be a good system to use, since it's fast and it's cheap.
Yeah. So they don't like expensive things.
No, no.
Yeah. For those who don't know what is ISO 2022. It's a payment system that will replace Swift. In short,
basically, that's what it is, guys. It's that system that will truly replace the Swift.
Yeah. Project Fast and Project Fast Pay. Is it a Fast Pay?
No, Project Fast and Fast Payment System are one and the same thing.
So they will also use XRP.
They will use XRP, guys. Everything will rotate around XRP, and we've heard that the bank of US, the banks of US as well, wants to adopt XRP. As cross-border payments, guys, as it is considered as fast.
I think that's
and
why,
cheap.
I think that's why they won the case, the XRP, so that it will be easy for them to use it.
Yeah, I think they still, because about the case, the SEC, I think it's still going to appeal in court.
Yeah.
So I think it's not on the clear as yet, as the SEC is planning to appeal. But they appeal, I foresee that they're trying to drag the process until they are ready for whatever they are ready.
They are CBDC.
Yes. So that's the only thing that SEC said they will consider. They will consider to appeal or not. Because the XRP is working with banks, guys. It's working with the government already.
It's a government coin.
It's a government crypto.
Yeah.
Yes, because XRP is crypto, guys. So it's government. It's been chosen long ago that it's gonna work with CBDC. They're gonna use it with CBDC. So I think we mentioned on our videos, as our videos are not financial advice, guys.
Nope.
Yes, that's you just consider buying XRP. Just divert your stack. Diversity is important.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
That's what we learned.
Yes.
Also, yeah.
Yes.
But when this FedNow coin, what is this? Fed coin.
It's a FedNow.
FedNow, coin is out. Then the controlling the government will be high as like serious.
Because that's the only thing about these CBDCs. It's just control.
Yeah.
That is the only thing that they want. it's full control.
That's true.
And once the CBDCs are fully integrated and implemented, full control will take over, because everything,
even including what you're holding there.
yes, this as well, you won't be able to buy. I foresee that happening, that it will be a privilege for you to buy a coin like this. So that's why we say consider buying now. Not a financial advice.
No.
If you're seeking for one, guys,
Go look for
a professional, guys. Here we're just having a talk on the internet. Yeah. So I foresee that, because they say that everything will be on the system.
digital.
On the system, and it will be run by government.
Obvious.
So the reason for that is that they can easily track your transaction, whatever you have purchased.
That's true. Yeah, and it will take us to their famous motto: you'll own nothing and you'll be
happy.
Yeah.
That is the motto that they're going for, guys. Don't think it has been swept under the carpet.
No,
it's still around.
Coming.
It still exists. That you will own nothing and you will be happy. It's just that we exposed it a lot here on the internet, so they decided just to die it down a little bit. Yeah. That's the only thing. Because we've talked so much about it. So they said, let's give you all the currents war.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that thing is still coming, guys. Yeah,
the one that you own nothing and be happy.
And you will be happy, guys.
Yeah, comment below what you know about the CBDC and what do you know about Ripple, ISO. Yeah, and what do you think about own nothing and be happy?
How you feel about that one?
Yeah.
If you don't own the silver.
And how you think you're gonna fight it? How we can fight this?
That's the one. How we can fight this one? How?
All right, guys. I think that's all for our video today.
For today. Yeah, guys. If you've reached this far,
please like, subscribe,
and comment.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
See you. Bye.